All right, so I gotten some questions about the rig and if I could share what I've done a little bit up close. And to tell the truth, the rig is fairly simple. The whole cage, this cage, everything here, the handle, this, it's all from a company called Small Rig, and they only sell black. The color, every color scheme of everything that's ever been made, it's always black. And very boring in my opinion. So I thought, let's spice it up here. And I sanded these down, like very good, sanded them down very good. And what I did was, put this here, maybe you guys can see it a little bit better, put some light on it. What I did was like I said, I sanded it down completely. And when I was done, I wanted to take it off completely, but these things are so hard in there, I could not lose the screws. So I was like, you know what, never mind. And I just did it like this anyways. But it's no problem. Parts that I left black is the handle. This, because it's a moving part, I don't want it to, to come loose or anything. And the clamp down here, it's also still black, also because it's a moving part. So all in all, that's how it looks. Like I said, I sand everything down, and when I sand everything down, I gave it a nice white thick coat of primer. Sanded that primer down, gave it another coat of primer, sanded it down, made sure it was all clean, no oils, nothing. And then I gave it about, I think it was a 3 or 4 coats of this orange neon fluorescent light. And I call it fluorescent light because, well, as you guys can see, it lights up crazy. So what I like about this is, like, if I'm shooting in a club or I'm at a party or something, and parties always have these black lights or anything, it's gonna look so dope, Also, I wanted to stand out a little bit. Everybody got they have the black, setup and everything, and I think it's so boring. Like, these people can actually make something cooler, like just use your imagination, and you have your own rig. That plate as well, I thought about doing it, orange as well, just like this, but I think it will be a little bit too much. So I just did the cage, the handle, and the small HD frame. It's all metal. Everything is all metal. So hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Thanks.
I'll think of you one more time.